Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door, Abhilash. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for 25th March 2021. So this analysis is for 25th March only. Tomorrow you will see me again with the analysis for 26th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Okay. So this is the chart of Euro USD and we can see that right now market is trading at 1.18272. Let me take out the pencil. Okay, so we can see that right now market is trading at this price. This is the CMP or current market price. As you can see, right now market is trading in a range. Okay, uh, if I hide the previous portion and if you just concentrate on this part, you can easily tell that market is in a range right now. Okay, there is no doubt about it. And right now you can see that market is almost trading at this support right now, which is a very good thing. And market is also getting some price rejection from below. Okay, market is almost in the oversold zone also. Okay, so factors are quite in our favor right now to execute the trade. Okay, so before executing the trade, okay, I would like to mention few things that you should also understand. Okay, first of all, you can see that I have mentioned here 50 moving average as the resistance one. Okay, so see, market got resistance from the 50 moving average and it came down. Okay, so if you buy here, okay, if you buy after this candle, if we get another confirmation in the form of a bullish candle, okay, then we should go ahead and buy above here. Okay, this will be a nice position to enter the market. Okay, and if we enter here, then this will be a first target, this 50 moving average, because 50 moving average is acting as a mild resistance for the market. Here you can check here. Okay, so 50 moving average may stand out as a resistance, and if market crosses the 50 moving average, then 1.1989, this level or this line will be your second support. Okay, and if market crosses this line with good amount of volume, that's a different chapter. Okay, we can go ahead and buy above this line once we get the confirmation in the form of volume. If we see that after 2-3 hours, 4 hours, market is trading comfortably above this level 1989, and we see that market is not facing any price struggle. Okay, then we will get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support. Then only we should go ahead and buy above this line. Otherwise, in a situation like this, okay, just wait for some time. Okay, just wait for some time and observe the price. If you see that next candle is a bullish one, good candle, and if it gives a closing or closure above this line or above the support 1.1835 level, then you can go ahead and buy easily. Okay, because our risk to reward ratio will match. Okay, and the position is also nice to execute the buy order. In case the trade goes wrong also, or in case it goes against us also, you should not worry, just follow risk management. Okay, because this kind of a setup, okay, will not disappoint you in the long term. If one trade goes against you, at least 4 trades will be in your favor. Okay, so just wait for the next candle and let the candle give a closure above this support. Once you get the confirmation, okay, just go ahead and buy. Okay, it's in a good position right now and market isn't sideways. So this is the simple analysis for Euro USD. So hopefully you've understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See you tomorrow again, and do check out the other pairs. Okay, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.